Hello everyone, a very pleasant afternoon to all. My name is Archana and let me tell you what I'm doing. I am making a video for my final assignment for the course I'm doing in Coursera, Art of Public Speaking. So here I am making a video completely raw. Of course, I'm not that tacky. The idea behind this video is I will not take any retakes. I will not write the script. I will not do any editing or further modifying the video. Whatever it's coming from inside me, I will just record it for once, just that. No retakes. Why? This is done to be this I'm doing this just to be just to make sure that I'm being honest to myself, just to see what I am without preparation and what I am without any kind of polishing, just a completely raw Archana. Let's get started. Okay. My name is Archana Singh Rajput, and I was born in Dhampur city, UP, India, of course. So Dhampur is a very small town in northern part of India, and basically I belong to a service class come farmer family. My father is a class 1 officer in forest department, and my mother is a homemaker, and I have a brother and myself. So that constitute my family. And basically I had my schooling done from St. Mary's Convent School, Dhampur, from nursery till class 12th. In our country, we call high school till class 10th, and then there is plus 2 intermediate, which is called class 12th. So I chose my streams as science, basically physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and along with the computer science in my high school, if you say in a US language. And then I did my graduation in biotechnology as engineer, bachelor's of technology in biotechnology. I did my dissertation from Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. The topic was in carcinogenesis, of course, related to biotechnology. For those who don't know what carcinogenesis is, it's the carcinogenesis is a process of formation of a cancer. It's the whole life stage which is described in a single term called carcinogenesis, just in a brief, we can say. So let us talk a little bit about this project, what this project was about. I will explain completely in a layman language so that anyone who is from non-biological or biotechnological background can understand very well. So what we did in our project is, just in a very plain and simple language, is we used to, I'm very sorry for that, we used to use mice to, first of all, they were ejaculated with the cancer cells, which I already apologized, because that was a part of our research. So we used to ejaculate with the cancer cells, and then we used to use phytochemicals, which was being extracted from the natural berries, natural substances called phenols and compounds found in chilies and other natural products, and phytochemicals to reduce that cancer. And then this was all about. So let me not make it very boring for you all, guys. I did this project for around 6 months, and then I completed my BTech. And then the destiny rolls. So I moved to Gulf, Dubai. So there it was all the part of this universe plan to take me there. So this was not how I was planning my career. So I went to Dubai, and then I was out there in the market. What to do now? So I searched many biotech companies and other companies for the job. So the very first thing what I found out was to study further, but all the universities over there were not very welcoming with the point of view of I would rather say that they were very expensive. So I was not having those much of funds to continue my studies. So I thought, let me start with the with my career and my job. So I ventured into market, and then my first job, what I got was based on my convincing power, based on my communication skill, and I worked as a telesales executive in a very small cleaning company. So what we used to do is we used to fix telephone calls over phone, obviously, telephone appointments, and then we used to sell our cleaning services. So therein I realized that I was a person who could convince like anything. So I found a kind of gem from inside me, that I'm having very good convincing power skills. So I thought, why not to venture into sales and marketing department? So I left that job. Then I found another job in a electronic company. You must all have heard about company Sharp Limited. So what Sharp does is they sell large video screens, TV screens, and audiovisual solutions to corporates, to B&B and to BNC, of course. So I was appointed there as marketing executive, and what all included in my job role and responsibility was to market the product, which was the Sharp screen and Sharp LED TVs. So we used to sell those LED TVs to big malls, big clients, big offices. So that was a backbone of my career. From there, my manager named Sunny Lincoln, he was my guru. So he taught all about what sales is to me. And then after that, again the destiny rolled, and I came back to India. And then, as we all know that education in India, in this part of Asia, it's quite sensible, and people who really are dedicated in studies and who really want to pursue their further studies, they can do it at a very low cost. I'm not marketing my India, but it is in actual. So people who all are facing some kind of financial issues, they of course can come to India and study. We have quality education, and at a very low price. So I came here. I prepared for the national aptitude test, which is called here CAT. And then after that, I got selected in Dehradun in an MBA university. So I started in a management program called MBA in oil and gas. So here I am in the second year pursuing my Coursera. So I have walked you throughout my whole life, what I am, what I love, what my life was like in school, what it was like in college and in BTech, and then after what it was like in job, and then again in my MBA. So here I am. For the future, let's say some words. I'm quite ambitious girl, and a very hardworking girl, and a perseverant kind of person who will not leave the way and until she reaches whatever she has in her mind. And no matter what amount of hard work, what amount of skills, what amount of passion I need to put in. So this is something about me. Thank you so much for listening to me. See you then.